Yo, what's going on, guys? It is Sunday, August 26th, and it certainly has been a while. It's been 3 weeks now, and as you guys probably know, I did have my clutch recently replaced about, I don't know, it's been probably like 2 months now, and my current mileage on a new clutch is 2,416 miles. As I said previously, I was not going to abuse my car anymore. I have not been doing launching. I have not been using fluff with shifting. I have not tracked my car. I have not doing anything. Nothing at all to cause any problems. But just recently, or actually it was yesterday, I was picking up my girlfriend from work, just casually driving, changing gears, something unusual, and all of a sudden I was in gear, and all of a sudden I heard a pop noise. And then ever since I heard this pop noise, I kind of freaked out. And then once I got stopped at the next light and started going again, it would make this total like unusual sound, like this clitter, clatter, all this kind of like noise, like something loose, and all kinds of noise like between all the gears, first, second, third, and fourth. And I really don't know what it is. All I know is it sounds really bad. It's probably like the worst sound I've heard with my car when it comes to like to the transmission or whatever it could be related to, or the clutch. And it's coming from the clutch area, like down here, like down in that area in general. Like that's where it sounds like the sound is coming from. So I don't know if it's really just that trans mount thing that I had an issue earlier, which I did kind of have come up again, but I don't want to like ramble and just sit in the car and talk about it. So I'm gonna basically set up the camera and drive, and then you guys can hear it and just tell me what you think. So I'll continue this video on the road. So see you guys soon. Peace. Okay guys, at a stop sign now, I'm gonna take off, and you're gonna hear a lot of clitter clatter noise that I do not like to hear, but here goes nothing. I don't hear it too much right now, but let me just try at the next light. Basically, look right there. All that noise, and then also like when I'm starting off. I guess when I kind of drive like not smoothly, you can really hear it. But I got a red light up ahead, so I will try it again up ahead, and you guys can hear it. Tell me what you think. But it sounds really bad. So I don't know if it's like a CV joint or what it could be, but it just sounds really bad. And it sounds like it's coming from like the clutch area, like clutch pedal area, like back there in the firewall or whatever. So yeah. The thing is, I did schedule an appointment with Gerald Subaru of North Aurora, which is the place that changed my clutch, and they are going to give me a loaner car, so that's scheduled for this Friday, which is, I believe that's the 31st. I know it's the last day of August, so that's coming up, and I guess I will let you guys know what happens from there. So I will take off again, and let's see if we can hear it this time. Okay, I hope you guys can hear that. Yeah, it just sounds really bad. And like I said, I have not been abusing my car, no launching, no nothing. I mean, really nothing that should be causing a thing like this. And it's unusual that I've been treating my car nicely and fairly and, taking care of it, and then they just get an issue that comes up. So, and like I said, I was just kind of casually driving, and then I heard a pop noise, and then ever since then, it just has been making all this terrible sound. So it just sucks. And I guess that's the thing with owning a car. You never know what could come up, and sometimes issues come up, and sometimes things get worse and things. So I just hope that they're gonna cover me under this issue I have. I don't know if it's. Let's try to listen for it. But yeah, it's really bad. I just hope that they'll cover it, and they're not gonna give me problems by saying. That it's related to abuse, because I have not been abusing my car. If anything, I've been driving my car really like casually. My current miles per gallon, this is all city driving, is 23.1 miles per gallon, and I'd say that's pretty good. Just with a few little minor pulls here and there, but that's pretty good for just city driving. And like when I was previously doing my videos, doing all those pulls, it would always be like 21 or something. Especially on E30, it would always be like really low. So yeah, so that's just the truth. I've been taking care of my car, and unfortunately something came up, and so I can just shift to fifth. Let's try it again. Let's go to fourth. Let's go to fifth. Yeah, I just hope you guys can hear that. And then I also, when the wheels are spinning, I could hear like a noise, like it sounds like a bearing or something that's like kind of squeaking. So it's just in really bad shape, and yeah, it's unfortunate, but I just hope, like I said, it's covered. previously, when I had the trans mount issue, I did try to schedule an appointment with Gerald Subaru of Naperville, and then they were trying to give me the runaround by saying, oh, they're gonna charge me a diagnostic fee because I guess they knew that, you know, my car is tuned, so they're basically trying to deny my warranty, and so they basically said they're gonna charge me like $100 something because of my previous tune or whatever. And then, so I basically said, you know what, I'll just schedule an appointment at the other place because they're going to change my clutch. So, like I said, I'm not sure if it's related to trans mount or something even more serious, like a failed clutch job or something that failed. So, I guess I will keep you guys posted. So, yeah, I guess I won't be making videos, obviously, because this is kind of like a depressing situation with the car. It's like I'm driving my car and it sounds like it's a, you know, POS. It just sounds really bad. So, I guess I'll keep you guys posted. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna try to do one more. I'm gonna try to purposely drive rough so you can really hear it at the stop sign, because when you drive like crappy in terms of changing gears, you can really hear it. So let's just try to drive a little crappy. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with, and it's just very unfortunate. So, like I said, I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you guys for all the support, and I know I have not been making videos. I've just kind of been busy with being back at work as a school bus driver, and just kind of taking care of life's you know, things. So I guess I will keep you guys posted when I get my car back, hopefully after the weekend, or maybe after the holiday, because I don't know how bad this is or what really the issue is, but I know it's not really good because I've never heard anything like this before with my car. So, as always, guys, thank you for the support. I appreciate all the fine feedback, and I guess stay tuned, and then when I post up again, I'll let you know what happens or what the dealership tells me. So until then, I guess I'll just be very careful driving my car. Really, I should not be driving my car, but the thing is, no dealership right now has a loaner car available for me, and of course Gerald Subaru is kind of giving me the runaround, and also Gerald Subaru of North Aurora, they're kind of booked until Friday, which is my appointment. So thank you again, and I'll see you guys around. So thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think. Have you heard anything like this before, or do you know what it could be? And I guess that's about it. So see you guys around, and peace out. Thanks.